Hi, it's my birthday week. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. You can see my tail. I'm gonna be spending a week to celebrate my birthday week. That's from September 1 to September 7. And this is the second day that we are celebrating my birthday week. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay. I'm weird. I think I'm high. High with birthday. Birthday what? Birthday energy. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, you probably watched the first day or the first day that we're celebrating my birthday week. If you haven't, please go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna be linking it here. Go watch that out and join in on that giveaway. Okay, so today there's gonna be a giveaway as well, but you need to watch until the end of this video to know how to join in that giveaway, because it's my birthday week and I want to give away something. So anyway, let's go in today's video. Since I do not really want to buy a cake, and since tomorrow is officially my birthday day, I just wanted to bake something, but I don't know how to bake a cake, so I'm gonna be making Martha Stewart's brownie. So I wanted to try it out, and this is me gonna be trying it out. So let's just do it. Again, this recipe is from Martha Stewart. If you want to know the recipe for Martha Stewart, I'm gonna link it down below in the description. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, I need to find the recipe again. My sister introduced me an app. It's called Notion, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Okay, so this is my Notion. This is not my template. I actually got this template from another vlog. I'm gonna link it down below as well, because it's a really good vlog and it's a really good template, and I really like it. The aesthetic of it, I really like it, and it's complete. This is the most complete template that I have ever watched, and believe me, I have watched like thousands of Notion videos. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, just press that. Okay, brownie recipe. It's hot actually. Let me just crack a window. It's actually a lovely day today. Take a look. It's so hot. Jeez, you just see my boob. It's so hot. I don't know. I want to wear this when it's in summer, but I don't care. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Birthday high. Okay, instructions. I need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And also need to have a 9-inch square baking pan. But so sorry to say I don't have a square pan. I only have this circle pan. I don't know why, but I don't like to buy things. Just make use of what you have right now. That's my motto. So I'm gonna be doing a pizza brownie. Pizza brownie. We also need chocolates. Also have some mixed nuts. I like nuts on my brownie, so I'm gonna be putting some nuts on them. Okay, we also need 3 large eggs, room temperature. So this is room temperature eggs, unsalted butter, and it is brown sugar, granulated sugar, coconut oil. We also need 2 bowls, actually, so I have 1 and 2. You need baking powder, kosher salt, and of course, your flour. Ta-da! There was one comment on my Martha Stewart's cookies baking with an air fryer, and then she just said dirty. Well, because this is not a baking channel, or this is not a cooking channel. I just like to cook and bake stuff whenever I want to. So yeah, it is messy. I am very dirty. I am very messy. So what? It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I'm so freaking weird. Okay, we need a bowl and another bowl. So we need to first mix in our dry ingredient, and then in another bowl our wet ingredients. Let's do the dry ingredient first. So in a bowl, whisk together our flour, baking powder, and salt. Okay, we need 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I think that is half of that. It's fine. Yay! Yay! It's fine, Char. This is why I don't like to bake anymore. It's just too stressful. That's another thing that I learned because I'm already 28, that I don't really like to bake. I don't really like to cook because it just takes too much time. Too much time preparing the ingredients, preparing the kitchen, and then after you have finished cooking, it's too hard to clean up as well. So cleaning up takes time as well. So one thing I realized after being 28, no more cooking. Well, I can't say that this is the last cooking video that I will put out in YouTube, but yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna do the wet ingredients. We need 7 tablespoons of butter. Okay, 1. Okay. In with the butter, we also need 1 1/3 cups of chocolate. Okay, this is Belgian chocolate because I really like it. There's 1 cup. 1 cup. And 3 tablespoons of oil. Or, according to the website, you can also use sunflower oil or coconut oil. I like using coconut oil because this is what I have. I actually use coconut oil as my makeup remover. Okay, let me just like put it here. Okay, that's 1. And we just like try to melt it. It's gonna take some time, I guess. There's like a block of chocolate inside the whisk. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm in my living room, or yeah, this is my dining room, it's because my kitchen is quite small. I did explain this in another video, like my TikTok, trying out my TikTok videos. I'm gonna link it right here if you want to watch it. I explained there that because my kitchen is quite small, so I'm gonna be doing my cooking videos here in my living room / dining room. Or maybe until we move, because we are planning to move to another apartment maybe next year. Let's see. Right now you're stuck with this background, you're stuck with this setup. It's actually, I like it. I like this kind of setup. It's small, it's easy to clean. That's another thing about being 28 is that you get tired so easily, like I am. I'm really just tired because I'm getting old. I feel like every little thing that I do is just so tiring. But like getting up in the morning, it's so tiring. Cleaning 1 room will take me a day. So this 3-bedroom apartment, it will take me at least a week to clean things up. Cause it's just so tiring. I don't know, I don't have the energy of a 22-year-old anymore. I feel I'm just so tired. Okay, I think our chocolate is ready. Add our sugar. We need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Mix it up. I'm just gonna add a 1/2 cup because it's just too sweet. And I'm 28, I have a slow metabolism. That's another thing I found out about being 28 or older is that you don't have the metabolism of a 21-year-old, and it's easier for me to get fat, so less sugar. Mix it vigorously until it is glossy. Add in your 3 eggs. 1. Okay, and then mixing it. Put in our dry ingredients in. Just like put it in. Oh, sheesh. Mix it. Smells delicious already. I want to take a taste. Prepare our pan. We're preparing our pan. Just need to cover it with parchment paper. Okay, parchment paper. I have nothing to do anyway. Okay, pour it in. Yeah! Looks like poop. Smells delicious now. Ooh, it's so smooth. Maybe because of all that oil. It didn't really say that we need nuts, but just because I love my nuts, okay, I'm just gonna put some nuts on top. This mixed nuts that we have like walnuts, cashew nuts, peanuts, all kinds of nuts. So just like, I'm just gonna put some nuts here because I love my nuts. Okay.
Fresh nuts.
Yay! Okay, isn't that beautiful? I think that is just absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. Good job, Char. Okay, we just need to pop this in the oven for about 40 minutes. And then we need to let it cool in the rack for 20 minutes. Okay, yay! And then we can store this for 2 days. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'm gonna clean up. And then we're gonna be back later when everything is cleaned up, and then we're just gonna sit down and talk about being 28. Okay, be right back. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Dun 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 dun. We are back. And our brownie, our round brownie is out of the oven. Okay, let me just like do a video for Instagram because we're gonna do this, right? Okay, it looks very, very, very delicious though. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay, let me just... I want to get a slice, but not that big. Okay. Yay, this one's... Whoa, okay. It didn't... Yeah, it's okay. It looks quite nice. Right, I'm gonna take a taste. I like it because it's not that sweet. I like it. I think I made the mistake by putting the nuts on top immediately because now they're kind of toasted. I don't know if I like that taste or not. Okay, I'm gonna save this because I can't eat that much. Like I said, being 28, I need to watch my weight. I need to watch my everything. So I guess that's it. This is actually the end of the video. And if you're still watching, congratulations! Thank you for watching. And we're gonna discuss today's giveaway. Today's giveaway is sponsored by Ann Bakes. Ann Bakes is a bakery that is owned by my sister Keisha. So thank you so much for Keisha for sponsoring our today's giveaway. Okay. So today's giveaway is some birthday cookies because it is my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It is my birthday. So all you need to do to win this amazing, delicious, out of this world birthday cookies is answer this simple question. How would you spend your birthday with your family? Comment down your answers below, and then me and my sister would pick one of the best answers here on YouTube, another winner from our Instagram page. If you want to also, join in the Instagram giveaway, go ahead and go to my Instagram page and follow the mechanics there. But for YouTube, all you need to do is to like, subscribe, and then comment down below your answer to how would you celebrate your birthday with your family? If you don't understand, just rewind one more time on what to do. I'm 28 and subscribe for more videos because this is gonna be one hell of a week because it's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. It is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Okay. I actually wanted to talk about being 28 a while ago, but I'm just so tired and I still need to do a lot of things. Being 28 means, I don't know, I guess it means nothing to me, but in the Chinese culture, it means that you're old. It means that you are an ayi, no longer a jiejie. So an ayi means an auntie, you are no longer big sister. Yeah, but I'm okay with that. And plus, I get a lot of questions about, like, when are you getting married? You're quite old, why are you not married? Questions like this. Personal questions, which I do not want to answer right now because I don't want to get married because I'm 28. I'm only 28. I'm only 28. I guess there's one more thing. I get irritated easily nowadays. But I also have a lot of patience. 28. Okay, that's it. I don't have a lot of life lessons, I guess. Because in my mind, I'm still 16. I'm forever 16. Okay, that's it. This is really the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!
Bye!
Bye-bye!